Hello, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to use varsitytutors.com. So this is a really neat website that can help you prepare for the ACT, which is coming up in April. So first things first, you do need to create an account. So if you're on the website, if you go to sign in, this is going to look different on your Chromebooks, but there will still be a sign in section. You can create a practice test account and it is free, which is super awesome. You just fill out your information, create an account, it's free. They should give you a password that will save to your, just save to your account, which makes life easier. So let me show you a few features of this. I do have an account because I took a practice test just to see how this all worked. So here is my English diagnostic test. Well, first let's back up a little bit. So to take a test, you would go to take a test, and I want you to take a practice English test and a practice reading test. So you'll go to ACT, ACT English, you would go to practice test. And I'm asking you to take a diagnostic test. The reason why is that's going to give you an idea of what skills you need to work on. I mean, you'll have the experience of taking a test and you will get the answers when you're done, so you can review what the right answers were, what you did right, what you did wrong, which is really handy. As you can see, there are 10 different diagnostic tests. Personally, I would take the shortest one, which is Diagnostic 1. I know it's 60 questions, but it won't hurt you. I want to see my results. So after I've taken it, I can still go to my results, which is super neat. It saves it all, and I can see how I did. Okay, let's look at the scores and breakdown of my English diagnostic test. So it shows me exactly which ones I got wrong. I missed 4 of them. So, probably no one's going to do perfectly on this, and that is okay. And then the awesome thing is that it breaks it down by concept. So there are 2 large categories: correcting grammatical errors and writing and revising effectively. So I look at this and I'm like, oh, hey, look, I did really well on this reorganizing content, revising content, so I might not need practice on that. But then I look at, I missed 3 in word usage errors. So that might be an area I need to focus on. So I'm going to view 22 concepts, and it actually breaks it down further to agreement errors. So it looks like I missed 1 in subject-verb agreement, 1 on simple subject errors, and I missed 2 in verb formation errors. That's not good. So you can choose some of those that maybe you struggle with according to the diagnostic test, or maybe there's something that you did well on, but you're like, I guessed on that. So in that case, those are what you're going to want to choose to work on. So I'm going to go to verb formation errors, and then this is going to give me some examples, which is really neat. It gives me examples, it gives me the right answers, and so that will help me review. And also I can go to practice tests, and so then I get these short, some of them are short practice tests by concept. So I get ones that have like 1 or 2 questions, which is very handy. So if I was struggling with word choice, I should be, word usage errors practice test. So I don't really want the one with 40 questions, but one with maybe 7, 12 questions, that might be something good for me. I know I missed something on simple subject errors, so I could choose those short little tests and take some of those to review and check my understanding. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to take a diagnostic test, review, look at your information. I'm going to ask you to take a screenshot of how you did. If you don't know how to take a screenshot, you can just Google that. and you should be fine. You should find out how to do that. And then you're going to take some further little practice tests. Again, short practice tests. You don't have to take ones that are 60 questions on some of those skills that you need to review. All right.